In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a faceless video on how to create AI videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Here's a quick example of an AI video that I generated in just under 60 seconds. As you can see, there is no face in the video. It's completely text-based and it was generated by an AI tool. The AI wrote the script, created the images and the voiceover for this video, and all I had to do was enter a few prompts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did this and how you can make AI videos like these to make passive income on YouTube and other social media platforms. Let's get right into it. Firstly, you need to go to a website to start generating your AI videos. Once you're on the home page, simply click on the button to start creating. Then choose between a blank page or a template. For this example, I'll use a blank page. This will then bring you to the AI editor where you'll add your prompts. For better prompts, you can use ChatGPT. Now, if you want to create a video like the one at the beginning of this video, you need to type in 4 different prompts. So for this example, we'll create a video about how to make AI videos. An easy way to make AI videos is using a website. You can use this website like VidAI to make passive income on YouTube. To make videos, simply enter your prompt. In this case, it will be how to make AI videos. And then choose between different models. For this example, I'll choose the one that says realistic, and I'll click on Generate. You can then scroll down to see the output from the AI generator. As you can see here, the AI has generated several different video ideas for me. So I'll simply copy this one here that says make money online with AI videos. Then I'll paste it into the chat section and click Send. This will then generate a full video script based on my prompt. As you can see, the AI has generated a full video script in just under 60 seconds. Now all I have to do is click on the highlighted section here and click the button to start generating the video. As you can see, the AI is now generating the video and it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. Once the video is done generating, you can click on the thumbnail to open the video. Here's the video that the AI generated for me, and I think it's safe to say that this video is good enough to upload to YouTube. If you want to create similar videos on YouTube, then make sure to follow the steps in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like as it really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.